Thanks for checking out our channel here. We're going to do possibly a how-to repair video on this unit. This is a Gallagher Fence Charger. It's called the Nanny, which is just a label they put on back in the day. It was actually an M250 is what it is. They had the Kid, which was like the M100 or Wrangler, one of those two. The Nanny, which was this one, the M250, and then they had the Billy, which is the big one, the M800 back in the day. So that was just some stickers they put on there just for advertising and marketing, that sort of thing. But this unit's not real old. It's 2006. It's probably the last year that they made this model. The name was back in 2006, and it's in here for repair. So let's get into it and break. Just put. Yeah.
Boo-boo.
There's information right there. So we're going to take this apart and see what it does. It's the AC unit, 110, 120 volt unit. The note on it just says doesn't work, so it doesn't really give me much to go off of, but we're going to play around. This is old school Gallagher. Old school Gallagher. You can see it's been arcing right there for a while. It's a little spark gap they had built in there for lightning. It comes into the fence, jumps across there to go to ground and back out here to your ground rods. Let's just plug it in and see what it does first. Cord looks like it's been chewed on, but I don't think it's been broken through yet, so we're okay, I think. Find out as soon as I plug it in, if the sparks start flying. Let's check this power coming in. It's not coming on at all. This light's burned out. It should glow green, but it's burned out. But it should still click, and it doesn't seem like it's doing anything. So we're going to test the power coming in. Right here should be 120 volts. Alright, so the power's coming in. I'm going to unplug it. Check the fuse. Fuse is blown. Lucky thing is they've got a spare fuse right here, which I'll just leave that there. Let's put a new fuse in here. We'll need to change out that bulb still, and we need to get that cleaned up there too, because I imagine if this thing goes to working, it's going to start arcing like crazy across there. So let's just see what it does. Nope. Somewhat clicking, not like it's supposed to. So let's pull this board out. Let's test this capacitor. This is a, I think a 12 microfarad capacitor, I think is what's in this. 12. So we'll test across it and see what it reads. Ooh, 1.8.
Alright. Huh? What would this go to? Does it go? It's supposed to go somewhere.
It came off of here, I think. I think there's a second one.
It was run without it, so.
There's probably two. Two of these were here at one time, so I just snip it off.
Alright, we're going to close it. Plug it somewhere. Leave it somewhere.
I got this one here, but I think it's too freaking big. It is. Damn. Hold on. Let me see if I can find another capacitor for it. Here's another capacitor. This is a 12 as well. Now, the biggest difference is the same physical size. Is this one's got tabs like this one, one's got wires. So what we'll have to do is we'll take these connectors off. We'll put on some metal spades to take the place of those two things. and plug that into the board. So, but I'm going to make sure that this capacitor is still good. It's been sitting on my part shelf for a while. I don't go bad that often. It looks like I've used it for something else in the past. 12.1, so capacitor is good. So we'll cut these off. Get a couple of the nail spade connectors. The right ones. That'll work. Alright, so let's widen the gap on these a little bit. And then we'll clean between them. Board back in what we're going to put. That one? It needs a new board then. Alright, so what happens now? That light's not flashing, so let's see what it puts out just for the heck of it. We'll go across here to here. That's the output of the transformer. See it putting out right. Why isn't that light flashing? Test right here. Alright, so let's put that light flashed for a second, so we've got a loose connection somewhere, or that bulb's no good and got a bad connection on it. Alright, let's discharge the capacitor. SE3 or 2 or whatever it is. It's there. It's up in one of those 2 or 3 red boxes up on the middle there up top. It'll say on the boards. I think it's the one. I think it's the one to your right. I think the marked boards are there, and the SE whatever boards are sitting there. Alright, so I'm gonna look at this. The 2 will work. Oh. There's where it doesn't work. The water broke. from the back of that bulb. So we'll change out this bulb, and this unit will probably be good to go. So we'll get some desoldering braid. Alright, let's see. Cat.
Yeah. Old puss. Puss. Oh shit, how do you do this? Okay. Ow.
Alright, get a new bulb. Let's see, this one's red or blue. I think this is blue. We'll put a blue light in it versus the green one. Oh, it's corroded, yeah.
Corroded artery.
Well, like that last Gallagher I worked on, it was corroded too. So someone put it out.
Oh, yeah, this has a name on it.
It didn't have a name. It was for that TBM place. But it was all corroded too on the inside. So they had their AC unit plugged in somewhere they shouldn't have been plugged in at and didn't protect it. goes. So this one's fixed and ready to go. So we'll get this buttoned up, call the customer up, and sure they'll fix it. And then we'll go on to the next one. Alright, well, that's it for this video. We're going to call it quits on this and go on to the next one. There's information right there. So if you want to ship something to us, happy to help you out on repairs. If you're looking for some parts for certain brands, we can help you out with parts too. And until next time, we'll see you later.